It's a lovely place to live. It was an old central heating system. It was reasonably efficient. It had a condensing gas boiler, but my eyes were opened hugely with the after effects of having the heat pump and the new retrofit. I got involved with Superhomes, and then I got a list of things I needed to get done. Got a heat pump, but in order for the heat pump to work, you needed to wrap the house with 100 mil of insulation. And the first thing to do was to replace some of the old windows and the doors so it would be airtight. It was explained to me that it was like a reverse of a fridge. So the heat pump sucks the heat in from outside, and because the house is sealed, it keeps the heat in. I don't do anything. The heating stays on. There's a little thing with your temperature, and you just press a big button and it goes up, and you press another little button and it goes down. It just feels really cozy and warm. If you're able to make the investment, I'd definitely recommend it because it's very energy efficient.